Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Diamond Paint with Nicole. Today we have an unboxing of some friend mail here. So let's get into this. I don't want to show no addresses, so. And this comes from two of my very sweet lady friends that are subscribed to my channel. Oh, where'd I put my scissors? Hold on just a second, y'all.
In here.
Looks like the ends are a little scrunched. Hopefully it'll be okay. Should be. That's usually the end of the canvases. And we usually don't drill there. What, baby? Uh-oh. It don't want to come out. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's going to be... Sorry for the crinkling, y'all. Just 1 second. This is the picture they sent, a custom of my family. It's missing 2 kids, but I still love this picture. It's going to be so gorgeous. There are a lot of drills, and they're all loose. Let's see, we'll mess with the drills in just a minute. Let's look at this canvas. This is what I'm curious to see. Oh. Loki's whispering at me. He didn't see the picture. It's going to be pretty, huh? It's going to turn out cool. Are you excited to see it get done? Yeah? I'm going to try to roll this back on itself. It's big. Loki says it's big, y'all. Oof, maybe if I can. I don't want to mess it up. I don't know if I should roll it back on itself. Kind of scared. I don't think I am going to roll it back on itself. It's got the little foam roller in here. Huh? I don't know if I should roll it back on itself. Let me try. I'm nervous. I don't want to mess it up. Sorry, y'all. Oh, yeah. I'm not going to. Because I don't want to mess it up. And it feels like I don't want to, so I'm not going to force it to. Let's see. Let's turn it around. Here, we hold that. Yeah, this is so big, it's probably not all gonna fit in there. But let's see. I don't know what this is. Oh no. Okay. I don't want to take this off all the way.
What's that?
That's you.
That's me.
Yeah, right there with red hair. That'll be you. Sorry, my camera kind of stopped on me there. Let's see.
What is it gonna be like on camera? I know what that's gonna be. That's gonna be a snowman.
I'm kind of curious on how this is going to turn out.
Mom, that's gonna be the snowman.
Yeah, that's going to be the snowman. Can you all see that? Kind of with the glare. It looks good on camera.
Yeah.
It don't look like that to me not on camera. So hopefully it comes out really good.
Oh
Let's see.
no.
Let's see if I can bring this drill filled up.
So I was upside down to them. I'm upside down to me.
Do you see the drill fill? The drill fill looks pretty clear. It's got a mixture of symbols and letters in there.
I'll go put this on.
I think it's going to turn out real good. I'm hoping so. I've been wanting this family picture for a while now. I wish the older two were in there. You see Loki's bright red hair? It's going to be cute. I'm curious what colors they picked for his hair. But let's close this up. Hold on. You see it? Don't touch it. Yeah, it's sticky, huh? It is sticky. Let's put this back so we can look at the drills. See these pretty diamonds.
How big is that?
Alright, now watch out, babies.
Oh, we're right there.
Look out. Excuse me. You can go that way?
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey!
Let's see if we can. Let's see. Hold on just 1 second.
What's that?
You look up and see it. Let me see how many colors are. Please don't do that. Hold on, look count these.
Right here.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 colors, y'all. That's a lot of color.
If there was 99 and
I was not expecting 59 colors.
Okay.
Back up, baby. We'll see if we can see some of these colors. I know. Let's look at them. Oh, wow.
My God.
So I know some of these, wow.
Wow. What's these?
I like how they did strip all the same ones together.
Oh, wow. Oh, man, Mommy! Mom! What? I did one! Oh, yeah!
So this, that's a lot. This whole row right here, all this is 939.
Mommy, hold that one.
Hold on, Frank.
Ah, yeah, Mom!
Here's 336.
Mom,
Hold on a minute. Sit down, please. 162.
Oh, hey, I can't.
891.
Hey.
Sorry. Fenton, please stop. 601. Here, you can look at them as I pass them on.
Oh, 238.
800.
Mom, 238.
Yes.
Oh.
8356.
Oh,
Can I see that, please?
oh
Please
yeah.
stop. 351. I think I just did that one. 956. 616. 3722. 3552. That one's kind of hard to see. Sorry. 932. 152. You need a drink?
Where did it go, Mom? Where did it?
337. Sorry. I totally messed that up. 3778.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh, that's a lot. 413. More strand there.
Mom.
What, baby?
You did that.
I did do that, Kelly. That's why it's in that pile.
Oh, it's an army. It's like an
159. 355.
What?
318. Oh, that's hard to see. 154.
Okay,
921.
ooh, we got big arms.
721.
What's this?
I want to say that's 889.
889?
899, sorry.
Oh,
899.
Is it 889? 88. That one. Which one?
22. 22.
What is it?
3.
Where is it? Where did you put that?
38, 36.
Where did you put 889?
I just laid it over there somewhere, baby. 38, 59.
Oh, Mommy! Wait, what did you say?
3,
Mom, look!
yes, please. Give me a second. 931. I already did that one, baby.
What did you say this one was?
That one is 3859.
3859.
3721.
2721.
315. You're calling them all wrong. You're confusing people. Please don't. And this is
315.
This is 823.
Wait. I don't know who did that one.
Y'all, please stop. 353. 600. 3713. 3326. 3856. 3371. 3770. I did that one. Please stop. 838. 779. 3727. Oh, shit. 38.60. What? Don't do that, baby. 38.61.
That is wrong.
38.34.
Wait, go wait.
38.35.
Did they go to a place office?
Hold on, my back is hurt. 8.24. 36.89. 3.27. 38.58. 9.02. Loki, please quit in that chair. 38.30. 4.51. 7.62. 37.43. 7.60. 30.78. 7.18. What do you like? The purple. 1.59. And 9.51. And this toolkit comes with some baggies. It's squishy.
What's the squishy?
Some good tweezers and a big old chunk of wax. And your normal pink pen.
What's the squishy?
Pretty standard toolkit.
Is the blue thing the squishy?
I do like those tweezers. Nice and thick.
You keep doing the same
But
tweezers.
I'm going to clean this up and tend to these kids. So, I hope y'all enjoyed watching my video. Thank y'all again for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye now.